Assalamu alaikum students, it's me, Miss Shamaila, your journal science teacher. Students, today we are going to talk about technology. What is technology? Basically, technology make our life easy and comfortable. Now we are going to talk about role of technology. Everywhere in universe we are using technology. In which places we are using technology? There are too many places where we are using technology like industry, agriculture, transport, communication, computer engineering. Now we are going to talk about industry. Basically, in case of industry, we are having the research center whose name PCSIR. And what is PCSIR stands for? PCSIR stands for Pakistan Council for Scientific and Industries Research. Basically, it is established to conduct and promote scientific and industrial research. And now, Alhamdulillah, we have thousands of electrical and mechanical machines, and we are going to take success in case of industries. Now, we are going to talk about agriculture. In case of agriculture, we are having the same research center, which is PCSIR. And PCSIR, or we can say that PCSIR use established for research in the field of agriculture. Just because of this institute, we are having high variety of seeds. We are having insecticide and pesticides. Now, students, what is insecticide and what is pesticide? Basically, it is a medicine to kill insect or pest. For example, if we are suffering any disease, for example, if we are having bacterial or viral disease, so for killing of bacteria and for killing of virus, we are having that we have medicines. So that medicines kill the virus or bacteria. As like that, we are using pesticide and insecticide for killing the insect or pest in crops. Okay, students. Now, students, we are also using fertilizers. What is fertilizers? We are using obviously we are using fertilizers, tractors, tube well. So now, students, what is fertilizers? Basically, plant need minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium. These minerals naturally present in soil, but if soil deficient these minerals, so we use fertilizer. Why we are using fertilizer? For complete the deficiency of minerals. Like same example. For example, we are fighting the diseases. Obviously, every day we are not having any type of disease. Why? Because our immune system, WBC, our immune system save us from all the diseases. But for example, our immune system not able to save us from any disease. So what will be happen to us? Obviously, we will be suffer from any disease. So how we can cure ourselves? Obvious, by the medicines. Am I right? So like this, or we can give the example of minerals. Like for example, we need different minerals like iron, calcium, iodine. If we deficient that type of minerals in our body, so what we will do? Obvious, we will use this food supplement. We will use medicines for taking the minerals like calcium, like iron. Obviously, we are having now. So that's why the reason, if soils deficient fertilizer like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus or potassium, so we put the fertilizer for complete the deficiency of these minerals. Now we are going to talk about transport. Basically, transport, we are also using technology in sense of transport. In our ancient time, we was using horses, camels for traveling. Am I right? But now, Alhamdulillah, we are having too many facilities for the transport. In our previous days, we was not able to cover the distance fastly. Means we have too much time for cover distance because we are not having we was not have the good facilities for transportations. Now we are having the good facilities for transportations. So what type of transportations we are having? We are having supersonic aeroplanes, fast electric trains, buses and cars, due to which our time to cover distance has decreased. Now we are going to talk about communication. In case of communication, also we are having too many facilities like satellites, big facilities, and satellite connect us from all over the world. We are also having TV, video, telephones, cassettes, cassette recorders, players, and thousands of invention we are using for the communication. And now we are going to talk about computer engineering. Obviously, engineering has led at great inventions using capture for work in offices. Am I right? We are having the computer which we are using in our offices, our workplaces, obviously in our school now. We also discuss nowadays there are too many facilities. For example, you are not coming in school, so how you can take the education? Obviously through the computer, through the technology, through the this type. Now I am giving you the lecture, so these are the facilities which we are using nowadays. So for example, if we not have the facilities, so how you can take the education, how you can how you can be qualified like that at that environment. We cannot go from here and there, we cannot go in schools. So now you are take the benefit from the technology. Now different inventions, we are having the invention in transport, communication, computer engineering, and also we are having too many inventions in field of technology like radar system. What is radar system? Radar system navigate the way. For example, if ship is moving in huge ocean, so the person um, don't know that inside the sea any rock or anything is there or here or not here. So through the radar system, radar navigate the ship that something or some barrier is there. So just because of radar, we know the idea that any barrier is there or not. We are also using digital watches, and nowadays we are having a digital watches where in watch we are having the WhatsApp, we are having too many facilities. Now we are also having the robot system. This is also the invention of our technology. And if we talk about the technology, so that technology is not used in rural areas. What is rural areas? Basically rural areas, small areas, or you can say that in villages we are using that all type of facilities, but we are not using that type of facilities in rural areas, in villages. So in cities we can use this type of technology. Now students, this is my second lecture, and I hope you understand my second lecture. Thank you so much.